Hi everybody, this is Pramita here, and this video was long overdue because this is the newest masterboard kit that has been launched in my shop. So let me tell you something, just a minute. So I have launched this. It is called masterboard, butterflies masterboard, masterboard with butterfly accents, you can say, just like the previous one with the wallpaper accents that I'd done. But this is a different set of masterboard background, because that is a different set that I had put together. The background was totally different, and this one has a totally different background. So but more or less their color schemes are same. So I have done it in this fashion because you can mix and match these papers, and then you can, these are just your stash building papers, you can say. Just helps you to make projects and stuff like that. I will be showing you another folder sort of thing that I will make, the one that I had done with the wallpaper one, this one. We literally used 2 sheets, and then we have used the snippets and stuff like that. So maybe we're going to do something in a different variety. I have thought of that, so I'm going to start that very soon. And these are the papers that I will be using. Again, these come with 9 sheets, and they are in the zipped form, so you'll have to unzip them to use get hold of these 9 sheets, and they are available now in my shop. I'll also post a link to this in the description box, along with all the other links. And so this is the first page. Just let me make sure that I'm in frame. Yeah, so this is pretty dark at night. So when I'll start the project, I will also do another flip through. But before that, I thought that I'll just do a quick show and tell sort of thing. So this is the first page, okay, and this is the second page, and this is the third page. Again, you can fussy cut these butterflies out if you so want. This has been printed on inkjet printer. I use an Epson EcoTank, so it has been printed on that. So this is the 4th sheet. I absolutely love how this turned out. These are mostly the fussy cut butterflies that I already have in my shop, 2 sets. So I've used those butterflies. So this is the 5th sheet, and I also loved how this turned out. This butterfly is also in one of the fussy cut sheets. So that's that. And then we come to the more blankish sort of paper. Now, one of the ladies in my previous video had commented about the papers that I've used. Now, I have used papers that are either copyright free or they are from my personal stash. So I don't know who that lady is and why she's asking such random questions, because I don't know, but I have given her an answer. Unfortunately, I can't see her comment anymore, but that's it. So again, this is what it is. This is the 6th page, and this is the 7th page. So if you want to make a tag or something, you can just simply cut this, and large tag, you can get a large tag. Just general ideas that you can have from these sort of papers. These are totally handmade. So I have made a masterboard physically, and then I have stained it and sprayed it. You can see some brown sprays. These are all ink sprays. Then blacks. These are all handmade. I have not digitized anything in this except scanning these. Even the butterflies, they are all fussy cut out, and then I have glued them on the masterboard. So that's one of the sheets. So we have done 7 sheets. So this is the 8th one, and this is the 9th one. So as you can see, you can make journal cards, and then you can decorate this. You can use your floral fussy cards. You can use, butterflies. You can use mushrooms and ferns and whatever you want, but you have the background already done for you. So that is this. Some of them are from my personal stash, some of the papers, and some are from copyright free images. So that's that. And yeah, we're going to start a project using these papers mostly, and you can use them in any ways you like. So this listing is live on my shop. This is called Butterfly Masterboard. So I'll post a link to that below in the description box. If you're interested, you can check that. So bye everybody, have a great day and good night.